Welcome to Coyote Classics here in Green, Iowa. Chad's pretty excited to check out this one. This is a 1947 Chevy Stylemaster, but not just any Stylemaster.
Not just anyone. One that the original AM radio was. That's nuts.
Yeah. And just meticulously restored, one owner car, which, how the hell do you find that in a 47?
And then it's a one family owned car, okay? So, but yeah, the family had so many memories, they just went, I'm gonna say hog wild, and completely restored it. You know, no expense spared restoration. Original AM radio work. They love this car enough to put electric wipers on it. So the wipers are all the correct switch, but they're all electric, they just fly. So as you go around this one, Dalton, I think you are gonna be truly impressed as well.
I'm guessing so. Even our detailer wanted to know how much we wanted for it. Andy drove it just a block and just loved it.
He said he felt really cool in this one, didn't he? He felt like he was born in the wrong time.
Yeah. We've been just saying right here, you can tell the quality, but it's even more evident when we get real close to it.
Yeah, you really have to see it in person to believe it. Look at that. It sounds a lot better than that Mustang, I'll tell you that.
Yeah. The one that just went by?
Yeah. Look at this. I mean, high gloss paint there. If you go to our website as well, make sure you check out the undercarriage photos because that's all painted black as well under there. But the firewall is beautiful. Look at the paint on the engine. You can go ahead and shut it off, Dalt. I mean, everywhere you look at this coupe, and this is also kind of rare. This is what's called, Dalton, I always called it a businessman's coupe back in the day. So a traveling salesman, I'll kind of show you something cool on this. So a traveling salesman, if you were a salesman and stuff back in the late 40s, this is what you would drive. Now Ford had it too, it's called a business coupe. So what you would do is in the trunk, you'd lay your product out or you'd lay your product back in here and this is where you display it.
That's cool.
You know, so no back seat. This is all from the factory, and when they did this, I mean, all this was repainted properly as well. Headliner is beautiful. There's your gas neck right there.
How cool is that? Just shows the different times. Really.
Oh, they had all kinds of different things like that. But yeah, you wouldn't have any passengers in here besides the one sitting right beside you. Steering wheel is cracked, but it's the original. Horn works. Paint on the dash is absolutely gorgeous. The wood grain has all been properly restored too. I mean, the finish on that's beautiful. Listen to that. Factory AM radio is working. I forgot
really
to check the
crazy.
key off.
This was built 2 years after World War II. You know, so they just kind of resumed production after World War II. Which is
Not
crazy.
crazy.
It is. That's a long time.
Hardly any 46s were ever built, so this is really the next year the cars started to get built, and you'd see a lot of 48s, but 47 was their amping production back up again. Wide whites. I'm excited to drive it. I haven't had it down the highway, so I'm kind of excited to see what that's going to be like. The grille, the front bumper guards are gorgeous. Turn signal lenses are awesome here. Headlights are nice, and just the fit and finish around the headlight eyebrows here. All this chrome has been properly done. If you wanted something like this, or your dad had one, or grandpa, and you want one of the nicest on the market, you know, probably I'm guessing to take a car that needs total restoration, take it to a shop and restore it like this, you're gonna spend over $50,000. And I know that's light, yeah. Right? You can buy this at a half to a third of the cost of restoration. It's absolutely gorgeous. The fitment of the fender to the hood, to the door. And I love how the doors were all built right into the fenders like this. I mean, it's just a really cool design. Looks like just like I said, they built, these aren't chips. A couple little spots there. Even though they built this as a trailer queen, and this is a trailer queen, they also drove it. You know, just for those memories, they wanted everything to work and everything to drive properly. They put the little blue dot lights in there, which is very common in the past. And how about that 6-cylinder with dual exhaust on it?
This sounds good.
It does. And looks good. Do you know how to do that, Dalt? Turn it and then lift up. Other way, maybe. There you go. Look at that. Look at your wiring. So all the wiring's brand new, okay? You got the jack. You got everything all painted properly in the trunk. You got the correct bias ply spare. This is your other spot where you would have all your display, right? You'd have all your stuff in there, and it's really deep. And I'm surprised some people probably took that little middle out, I'm guessing, and then had that all open. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Hell, somebody could take this camping.
Yes, they could. Yeah, it's beautiful too. Standing back, couple feet, it's gorgeous.
They use the correct, we call it mohair interior. Same thing with the door panels, seats, headliner is gorgeous, visors are all done properly. I guess I bragged about it probably enough, but carpet's all been redone, gorgeous. Look at here, even this has all been redone. Where do you find these? Who reproduces those, for heaven's sakes?
Crazy.
The little tiny scuff plates. Ready to get in and go, D? As we look up and down driver's side, just like Dalton said, the wide whites are bias ply. They're in great shape. The wheels are awesome. Hubcaps, all that stuff is original. And it has a matching rim with the little gray on it and everything painted just to match in the trunk. They even went ahead and chromed these. Yeah. All the door handles are like brand new, window cranks. All right, let's warm up. It's kind of warm in here. Yeah. Windows look like they've all been replaced as far as the windshield. The side windows are original still. Kind of shows you the kind of care though. 59,000 miles. So it's, I'm guessing, original 59,000 mile car. We're gonna shut that off, but it actually sounds pretty good, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Look at here, they even restored that. Look at that.
That's awesome.
He said nothing was untouched.
Except for the steering wheel, which I'm so glad they
Yeah.
left. Because how cool is that to think that was, well, that was on this car in 1947, driving around.
You probably, I don't know if there's anyone that repairs these or not, but you can always check. Look how, oh my gosh, you're kidding me.
Windows go.
Look at that. Just like butter. Got the real rear view mirror here. I don't think the dome light works. Heater does work. Isn't that crazy?
So like today.
Got a heater here.
Even,
Super deluxe heat.
that's kind of cool too. Neat.
Get the heater going, huh?
It seems like it's working too. I'm already feeling a little
Oh, it's
warmer.
working. Oil pressure gauge is at 20 pounds right now. It shows it's charging. Temperature gauge works as well. It's about 140, and the gas gauge works it's at half. Is that the original owner's manual? Can't be.
I think it is.
It is. I've seen that.
How cool.
Original owner's manual. It's nuts. What else you got in there though? That's awesome. I said it was original radio. It looks like, what's that retro radio? Maybe you think it's all redone?
What?
That look 100% original?
Maybe.
Could it be?
What's the
Never
date?
seen nothing like it.
There's a date on the front. Doing some tactic work. 2006 release date.
I guess.
So yeah, it looks like they restored it. They're, I don't know if that's for the radio. Then
It says it is, but this is sure. I know it's original. Looking
Just restored,
100%.
Website for details.
nice.
I'm sure someone maybe restored it. Pretty crazy. Oh, here, check this out. This is what I'm talking about. Look at that.
Wipers are. What a cool car.
All electric. It'd be good if I went at such an angle. Look at that. How easy it fired right back out there.
I know.
Speedometer works.
Sounds good too.
Look at this little thing. So it's not a big thick one. You got a throttle and it probably choked on here. We got a throttle right here. It does sound good. It don't sound like a little 47 with a 6-cylinder, does it? Brakes work great. We do have a little pull to the right on that first pull, but again, you got some old brakes here.
Yeah.
I
That's,
know the guys checked them all out before we checked it in. Made sure the oil was changed, everything was good to go. That heater is like blowing me out.
I know it is. It gets hot.
Or shut it off.
The speedometer even works.
It works perfect. It's not bouncing nothing. 55 mile an hour. That's about where she wants to go.
Yeah.
You can just feel those bias ply tires have just a little bit of shake to them, 55, 60.
What a cool car.
You get her down to 45, 48, and there's none of it. See it?
Yep.
Absolutely no shake whatsoever, but you get just a little bit higher RPM on those tires.
Yeah, this thing was built to go about this speed. They didn't go much faster back
Yeah,
in the
you
day.
could try to outrun a cop at about a maybe 65 probably, but look at this thing how it just goes down the road at 55.
Cool. What a special car.
And
Very
how
special.
quiet is it in here?
Very.
Besides the dual exhaust is all you can hear.
Yeah.
Let's go ahead and check our synchros real quick here. I know we're not going to be able to synchro it down to first. I don't think they never had that, but
Synchro's nicely in a second.
Really nice.
Nice, good clutch.
The one's
good
behind
train.
us. We're going to check those brakes again once.
Brakes work great.
Yeah, they do work good, but you do have a little pull. There's your synchro down
Yep.
to, you're going to have a little bit of that grind down to first. Moving.
Yep.
Back up to second.
What a special car.
And it does have turn signals added, Dalton. Okay. That's an added turn signal switch to it. Yeah, special. I mean, that's a good word to put it. Like I said, if you want to bring back a little piece of automotive history and you don't want to really spend any money, you just want something you can take to a show right now and enjoy, this is it.
This is it. It's been in one family for all these years, and now it's time to go to a second family. Check it out on the site. Very cool car. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.